4 misconceptions about St. Peter life plans. Many people hesitate to get a life plan because of certain misconceptions. Let's address these misunderstandings with wisdom and biblical truth. 1. I don't want to die. Some people avoid talking about life plans because they fear death. Truth, preparing for death doesn't mean inviting it. It means acting wisely. Death is a reality for everyone, and planning ahead shows responsibility and love for our family. Hebrews 9:27. Itinakda sa mga tao ang minsang mamatay, at pagkatapos ay ang paghuhukom. Ecclesiastes 7:2. Mas mabuti pang pumunta sa bahay ng nagluluksa kaysa sa bahay ng pagdiriwang, sapagkat ito ang hantungan ng lahat. 2. I don't need a life plan. Some believe that a life plan is unnecessary, thinking their family can handle things when the time comes. Truth, a life plan is not just for yourself, it's for your loved ones. Without preparation, they may struggle emotionally and financially. A wise person plans ahead. Proverbs 21:5. Ang mga plano ng masipag ay humahantong sa kasaganaan, ngunit ang padalos-dalos ay humahantong sa kahirapan. 1 Timothy 5:8. Ngunit kung ang sino man ay hindi kumakalinga sa kanyang mga sariling kaanak, higit sa lahat sa kanyang sariling sambahayan, itinatakwil niya ang pananampalataya. 3. We have a free memorial service from our barangay. Some think that since their local government provides free memorial services, they don't need a personal life plan. Truth, free services are limited and may not cover all expenses or provide the dignity and comfort a family deserves. Having a personal plan ensures a smoother, stress-free process. Proverbs 22:3. Ang matalino ay nakakakita ng panganib at nagtatago, ngunit ang hangal ay nagpapatuloy at napapahamak. Galatians 6:5. Sapagkat ang bawat isa ay dapat magdala ng kanyang sariling pasan. 4. I'll get a life plan when I'm older. Many delay getting a life plan, thinking they have plenty of time. Truth, life is uncertain. The best time to plan is when you are still able. Getting a life plan early is more affordable and ensures you are prepared no matter what happens. James 4:14. Hindi ninyo alam kung ano ang mangyayari bukas. Ang buhay ninyo ay parang usok na sandaling lumilitaw at agad nawawala. Ecclesiastes 11:4. Ang tumitingin sa hangin ay hindi makakapagtanim at ang nagmamasid sa ulap ay hindi makakapag-ani. Final thought, having a St. Peter life plan is not about expecting death. It's about preparing wisely, showing love for our family, and ensuring peace of mind. Plan now, trust God, and live with wisdom. Kontakin mo ang agent na nag-share sa iyo ng video na ito, Mr. Adelmo Capasa, para sa iba pang detalye. May God bless you.